Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change name on Uno. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on your profile in the top left corner. Now click on the pencil icon just beside your username. In the text box, type in your new name. You'll also have to keep in mind that the next time you want to change your name, you'll have to use a renamer item. Then tap on Confirm button. And if you're sure, click on the Confirm button once again. So that is how you can change your name on Uno. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.